Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and guys, we're on something special. This is Sea Ray's brand new 360 SLX, and I am here to tell you this boat is not an evolution of the 35. This boat is new from the keel to the very top of the anchor light, and this boat is something truly special in its class. Guys, it starts at the back. This boat's got a lot of triple power options. 425 horse V10s are trimmed up so you get to see that we're not lying. That is the top option package. In fact, that theme is going to be everywhere we go. This triple wide lounger at the back is incredibly comfortable for sandbars and otherwise. And one of the most notable upgrades, this boat has a beach door. Guys, you've got a starboard side massive beach door, gives about 3 feet an additional beam to the boat. It is so cool. And as you step into the cabin, or into the cockpit rather, we have so many amenities that you're going to really enjoy, like this folding teak table. It's a little bit smoother than some tables of the past, gives you great access around there, but easily seats 4. Check this out. Folding back to this starboard side seat. One of the number one things when you have a summer kitchen on a boat is at the moment you open this grill lid, you lose some of the prep space that you're using, whether you're cutting things, setting out plates, etc. And of course you have your sink here. Well, this super clever design from Sea Ray gives you quite literally twice as much counter space. It is an absolutely usable and very nice feature on the summer kitchen on this boat. They're also going to give you topside air conditioning, that vent over there. And I got to point this out. Sea Ray is really taking an eye to the detail. What pretty woodwork. The back of this fridge, they've got a drawer fridge, the back of this boat has a drawer fridge as well as that large fridge you see there. Options like inductive charging over underneath this cool little armrest. Gives you kind of a second glove box, guys, that we really like. Inductive charging throughout. This seat on the passenger side is actually high-low as well as its ability to spin, which is very cool. And it's a 36, and with this increased beam, you have 2 love seats. So double seating on both sides. And we've got to talk about the helm. Guys, Sea Ray probably has put together the nicest helm that you can find in a boat of this class, and that's extremely legitimate. Think the nicest of your exotic cars with real wood, bent, beautiful detail, stainless in it, quilted vinyl on here, and they did this yacht style dash kind of pod for your multifunction displays, and then put these new Simrad ultra wides in it. It's just such a good look that actually gives you better visibility than some boats in the past. And I'm going to point out for those at the helm, this is one of the first boats out of Sea Ray's lineup to give us an optional bow thruster in addition to the joystick. So this boat has both. Guys, you know me. You know I love to leave something for when you come. This boat does absolutely have a climate-controlled cabin, but come check it out. This is one of the most loaded 36s in the nation, one of only maybe 4. You got to come see it. The bow is the last piece to this boat. It is deep. You can legitimately put 6 here if you want. Manual shade forward. Beautiful use of black gel and acrylics. They do have an optional spotlight here, as well as that 4-post and 2 clips, so 6 points contact for this shade here. Just a beautiful space for you and the family to hang out. Guys, this is Sea Ray's brand new 36 SLX, and here in Sarasota, we have the highest, nicest spec one in the entire nation. I'm Jeremiah. Give me or anyone on my team a call, and we'd love to put you on board.